In front of me is SONY XPERIA 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app and click on it. Then choose Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus icon to create your own and set up an hour. Finally, you can click on OK and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. You can also click on Add Label at the top, type in wherever you wish to, and save your label by choosing OK. Then click on those little icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine to enable or disable those two options. And finally, click on this bell one. Then select Dismiss in the pop-up, tap on Add New, and select Music from your smartphone by tapping on the song and going back. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and tap on one of those default ones, like Alarm. Now, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can always switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it though, select Delete at the bottom left corner, and now it's gone. You can even adjust more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, choosing Settings, and managing all of them however you wish to, like Snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!